The other way I like to use the Mango Lip Honey is by applying it over the top of my favorite lip liner. So I'm going to go in with the Ere Perez Acai lip pencil in the shade Shy, and then apply the Mango Lip Honey in the shade Chili over the top. I personally like to apply the lip pencil to my whole lip and then purse my lips together for an even coverage and finish. And so now I'll go in with the Mango Lip Honey to add the perfect amount of shine to this lip look. So as you can see, by applying the gloss over the top of the liner, it fuses the products together and creates a really beautiful high shine color and finish.